Hello everybody, welcome to Math Champ. Today I'm on Dreambox learning math and we are going to be doing adding and subtracting fractions. And I did two other videos on this. Different videos though. Go check that out. It's on my channel on YouTube. So, um,
Welcome to the number line tutorial. You'll learn how to use the number line to add and subtract fractions. Close this window when you're ready to go.
okay guys, so it says, welcome to the number line tutorial. You guys heard it though, but I'm just gonna read it. You'll learn how to use the number line and to add and subtract fractions. Close the window when you're ready to go. So they showed us a little example here. On the other one, on my other videos on adding subtracting fractions, they're a little different than this. Let's just take a look on here and take a look on what we're going to be doing. Okay.
Watch the animation below to learn how to set a unit mark value. Close this window when you're ready to try.
Okay. 12. So 12. So what's the that's what it is.
Enter 12 as the common whole at 1 unit on the number line. Press next when you're ready to move on.
So it's showing us step by step, so we learn and we know what to do. Which one thing I like about Dreambox. Now that we put the 12 in,
Good job.
Continue.
You have set the common whole on this number line to 12. Watch the animation below to learn how to add, move and delete benchmarks. Benchmarks show the location of fractions and whole values on the number line.
Okay. Let's try this.
Select the benchmark button at the bottom of the screen to add benchmarks to the number line. Place a benchmark to represent half on the number line. Press next when you're ready to move on.
It's right there. And then push next.
Edit the value on the top of this benchmark to display half. Press next when you're ready to move on.
Half. 1. Push next.
Good job. You have correctly labeled this benchmark as half on the number line. Edit the value on the bottom of this benchmark to display 6. Press next when you're ready to move on.
To display 6, because half of 12 is 6. That's why.
You have labeled this whole value correctly. 6 is half of 12. Press next when you're ready to move on. Now I will move your benchmark to an incorrect location. Press next when you're ready to move on. Select the move.
So I guess we're just practicing, and then we're just learning how to do it, and then we're gonna go into actually doing it without any help. Or we'll still be getting help though.
Select the Move button, then move the benchmark away from the number line to delete it. Press next when you're ready to move on.
Okay, so I guess we just do this and then just lift it up. Like that. Then it's deleted.
Good work. I'll place your benchmark at half again. Watch the animation below to learn how to create jumps. Jumps represent addition or subtraction between benchmarks on the number line.
I think I have to do. So just look at jumps.
So
Then just do this, that.
you have created a jump from half to 3/4 on the number line. Press next when you're ready to move on.
Next.
Enter 1/4 as the fractional value on the.
So 1/4, and then 3 as the whole value. What's next?
Enter 3/4 as the fractional value on the top, and 9 is the whole value on the.
3 4/4, 9 as the whole on the bottom. Let's push next.
You have labeled all of the parts of this jump correctly. To model the expression half plus 1/4 is equal to 3/4, you placed a benchmark at half and created a jump of 1/4 to land at 3/4 on the number line. Press next to complete this tutorial.
Tutorial is complete. So that's practically all for this tutorial. I guess it was a complete tutorial more than a lesson, teaching us what to do for our next lesson that we do on this. So I hope you guys liked today's lesson or today's tutorial on how to do this. So next time we'll know what to do on this type of lesson, adding and subtracting fractions on the number line. And I'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe, and I hope you guys learned something new. Goodbye.